Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Economic Times Smart Factory Summit 2023. We are in conversation with Mr. Satendra Tiwari, who is the Director of Manufacturing of Construction at CNH Industrial. Welcome to the event, sir. So, just wanted to understand, CNH being like a age-old company, like decades-old company. So, what is your approach, probably to transition or probably evolve from the older machines, older machinery, older plants, and probably investing in newer technologies? How are you doing that, transitioning towards that?
So, if you look at many old asset, it's a myth that it cannot be digitalized. You have to put few sensor here and there. You can do predictive maintenance. You can do condition monitoring. So, one area is asset management, how well you are utilizing. Second area is if you look at legacy company, we have many blue collars coming early in the morning. They don't know where to report. There are a lot of absenteeism in the shop floor. You can have a digital pod. Like once they scan their barcode reader, their biometric is verified. They get a also auto alert on their mobile where to go, which station to report. So there are many frugal solutions for the companies which has been managing legacy and transiting to a smart manufacturing. This is not something I need to do big. You have to evolve with the problem statement, which kind of problem we are trying to solve, and trying to digitalize data around, and still you can do. I can tell you that in safety area, we have 100% digitalized our safety assessment. We have a Roku Toko initiative. We just scan a barcode and you just click a photograph, you report a safety incidents. In our skill matrix, we are almost our entire training is on VR model. Safety training, we have safety experience center, we have painter training process, we have welder training, everything is digital. That saves lot of cost and also allow people to migrate. I am a manual welding operator, I need to go to robotic cell. Which kind of training I need to have? So training process in around people-centric approach, and you are trying to solve ultimately. If you look at any process you'd like to digitalize and finding a problem, you also find a person behind that problem. So it has to be human-centric approach. Which problem we are trying to solve, which are the key stakeholder, and I think the blue collar, the white collar, supervisor in the factory, manager on the factory, they are major stakeholders. Ultimately, they see the benefit and they get excited. Start with a few frugal ideas, try to experiment it, how it helps, and then keep growing. That's my message.
So, since you talked about cost, could you share how much have you invested in transitioning towards this process, or in assembly lines, or probably what are the investment plans for the next few years?
So it's an ongoing process. It's a journey. So you cannot lay down a lot of capex. So you find the need of digitalization. There is a problem. I think we are investing a lot in digitalizing our supply chain. Entire supply chain has to be digitalized. Entire warehouse has to be digitalized. And then you keep moving to upstream process. So downstream process first, and then you keep moving, shifting your goalpost. Ultimately, idea is to reach out to customer, get his experience, bring voice of customer in the plant. That's a great idea to have.
So you also talked about the blue collar jobs and the employee skilling part. So are you looking at hiring some kind of new employees in any new direction, probably?
So I think there are a lot of opportunity for data analytics. So there are a lot of data coming around. Somebody has to analyze it. There are a lot of scope for industrial engineer to work, go and operate. Data is just data. It has to be optimized for the benefit of the company. So there are a lot of optimization process. Engineers, maybe mechanical engineer, industrial engineer, electronic engineers to work around the system, because now everything is mechaelectronics nowadays. Nothing is pure mechanical. So those areas we are exploring to find out more and more resources who can help us in launching new product, making our current product more reliable and data centric.
Yeah, mechatronics is the game changer, as you said. So at CNH, are you looking at any specific number of hiring probably for this year or next year?
We are hiring at different locations. So far, our plan is to make our digital is much stronger than where it was. We are investing. I think we have already hired 150 odd engineers, and we are process of hiring. I think we have ITC, we have technology center, and we have in IT organization which is getting more and more resource now to fund all these digital drive we have. So as we keep on hiring, and we have to double our head count in coming 1-2 years time frame. That's the plan we have.
Thank you so much. Thank you for talking to ET Auto.
Nice.